Hello everyone. We are about to cut some soap I made last night. It's a rebatch of the elderberry soap. Excuse me. It's the rebatch of the elderberry soap. So let me share my page. Let me share my page. So that we can hey Pam, I'm just sharing my pages right now. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I just came on live just to cut this soap and let y'all see what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna get my gloves. How y'all doing this Friday evening? Me, I'm preparing myself tomorrow to go do my pop-up shop event, but instead of just doing it tomorrow night, I'm going to be doing it all day. All day tomorrow. I'm going to be doing it. Hit that mute button. All day. So I'm going in the morning, and I will not be finishing and coming home till tomorrow night, because I'm doing both shows, y'all. So your girl just trying to be lazy right now and rest up for tomorrow. Hey Pam, what you doing over there? You making some soap? So this is the elderberry soap. This is a soap that's already on my line. I just sold out of it and had to remake it. This is elderberry. Smells so good. So we just gonna cut this, take it out the mold. So the colors are a pretty pink and purple and white, and the base of the soap is green. Because when I think about elderberry, I think pink, purple, white, and green. When I hear words and names, I see colors. And the first colors I see, that's what I go with when I'm coloring my soap. So, here we go. Let me show y'all the side of the soap. Ain't this gorgeous? It's so cute. This kind of looks like grass and a little mountain and a purple sky and clouds when you look at it, huh, y'all? Don't it look like that? But that's totally not what I was going for, but that's what it looks like. So, let's just cut this soap. My ends are smooth, so I'm not gonna cut an end off, where I might have to, so it can have a sample. So yeah, let me cut this sample piece off. I always cut a sample piece off so that the customers can pick this sample up and smell it to see what the soap smell like, instead of picking up all the soaps and sniffing on all of the soaps. So this is the sample piece of the elderberry. And y'all know my bars are huge. Big, huge bars. So here's the first cut. This is elderberry soap. Elderberry. And it is so cute. And it smells so good. Notice how big my bars are. My bars weigh between 10.5 to 11 ounces after they're cured. So they last you a pretty good long time. Plus they're tall with the piping. So not only are they wide, but they're tall because of the extra piping on top. So these bars last you a while, guys. Again, this is the elderberry soap. It's a restock because it sold out. So I had to restock it, and it won't be ready for 4 weeks. I do have one bar left of the previous stock. So that's why I remade it, because I was one bar down. One bar left of this soap to sell, and these here have to cure for 4 weeks before I can sell them. Yes, so this is the elderberry soap. Elderberry. And look at the pretty topping. I used some candy white pearls on top. Some candy white pearls. Let me move my light closer. Some candy white pearls and some pretty glitter and some nice piping. But this is the elderberry soap. I love, 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 love my soap, guys. Love it. So, elderberry, ain't it gorgeous? It is just so cute. So pretty, and it smells so good. So here I got another sample bar. Cut that in half. And that's the cut of the elderberry soap. Let me wipe my cutter off. So yes, I love making soap. I love using my soap. My skin has never been or felt better. It is so good and so natural. It's no chemicals, no alcohol, no foreign product up in the soap. It's just all natural and great for your skin. It's better than anything you will ever, ever, ever buy out the store, guys. You have to treat yourself with these soaps. Try them. It's all natural oils, no chemicals, no alcohol. All you're getting is straight benefits from this soap. You can take a shower with this soap and don't even have to use lotion after you get out the shower or the tub. That's how soft and moisturized handmade natural soap makes your skin. And with all the chemicals that's not in here, your skin will notice a difference. You will notice a difference in your skin. But you have to try it. And I have a sale going on that will end shortly. It is 1 bar and 1 body butter for $20, or 3 bars and 1 body butter for $40. So just to give y'all a quick view of the body butter that I make, this is blood orange and goji body butter here. And I also have Caribbean teakwood body butter, cool water body butter, and a couple of others. So go to my page, Yall Soaps, to check out all the great soaps, body butters, candles, wax melts, shampoo bars. I have Yanni bars, facial bars. I even have infant bars for babies. So check out my products. Like this post, share it, and go follow my pages. It's Yall Soaps or Tanya CMS Brown or Yall Tanya Brown. So yes, those are my pages. And isn't these soaps lovely, guys? Look, ain't that cute? It's so cute, and it smells so good. So thank y'all for joining me and taking the time out of your busy life to watch my live. Y'all have a blessed weekend. Please be safe. And those of y'all that are in the hurricane, I pray for your safety. I pray you don't get anything damaged, no one gets hurt, and everything turns out great. So thank y'all for joining me, and y'all have a blessed and safe weekend.